Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can change the payment region in Microsoft Store. So, without further ado, let's begin. Many instances where we would make a purchase in Microsoft Store, you will encounter an error in which you are in the wrong region. So how can we fix this? First, we're going to close our Microsoft Store. And then we're gonna go on our system settings to change our region directly in our PC or our laptop. So go to the start menu and search for time and language. You should see this right here. Click on that. After that, we're gonna go to the right corner and you can see related settings, date time, and regional format. Click on it. As you can see, the country or region I'm currently in is in the Philippines. Now, if I have to set this to my preferred region, which should be connected to Microsoft Store, let's say I'm going to choose the United States. And just like that, our option in the Microsoft Store will be changed, in which if our payment method corresponds with the United States, we would not encounter the issue anymore. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!